Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we'll be making this bun. Now put the bun clip and roll the hairs and it's ready. Next we will put this hair clip on the hairs and now take few section of the hairs, roll it and fix it like this. Take another section and put the hairs. After that divide the hairs into two sections, make the plaits, fold it upward like this and put a clip and your hair bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the ponytail on the back. Fix the hair in the between like this, roll it inside the hairs and tie the hair in a bun and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie a ponytail and put this bun making clip. Now roll the hairs around it and fold it upward. Now fix the flower part on the top and your bun is ready. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs from the sides, put a hair clip like this. Now take few sections from the down and put it inside the clips like one by one as we are doing. Now take all the hairs together, tie it and tuck it inside like this using a bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will take this bun clip and put it in the hairs like this on the down side. Now divide your hairs in two sections, make the plaits and fix it and your bun is ready. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs from the top, roll it and fix it using this hair clip. Now take the hairs again as we are doing, roll it and fix it in the clip. Now take all the hairs together and tie it from the top. Now tuck it inside using the bun clip and it's ready. Next, we are making a easy peasy bun. So roll the hairs and put the hair clip. You can make these buns at your workplace. It's very easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Bye.